Hello, good afternoon, everyone. And today I'm gonna show you about my final assignment. The final assignment is uh make some essay, and my essay is talk about digital literacy among youth in the contemporary media environment. And the first slide is background. Digital technology has become an integral part of young people daily lives. Social media platforms are no longer used solely for communication, but also functional as space for learning, social interaction, and identity formation. For adolescents, accessing information through digital media has become a routine activity that shapes how they perceive the world and interact with others. And this slide is introduce the context of discussions, empathize that digital media is deeply embedded in youth culture today. Social media influence not only how young people communicate, but also how they learn, express themselves, and construct their identities. These conditions make digital literacy increasingly relevant. And next to the second slide, digital information challenges. In one of the major challenges faced by youth in the digital era is overwhelming flow of information. Adolescents are exposed to a constant stream of online content, which is varies greatly and in quality, credibility, and accuracy. As a result, distinguishing between reliable information and misleading content becomes increasingly difficult. And the explained in the problem is not the lack of information, but the excess of it. Yes, the excess of it. Young people receive information continuously, often without clear filters. The situation creates confusion and increase the risk of accepting inaccurate or biased information. Role of social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and X play a central role in shaping adolescents' information consumption. Content that is visually appealing or shared by popular accounts tend to gain more attention and trust. Regretting and I'm sorry, regardless re, regardless of its accuracy, this dynamic encourage rapid consumption rather than carefully evaluation of information. Stress that algorithms and popularity strongly influence what adolescents see online. Many young people username that widely share content is trustworthy. This explains why visual design and influencer credibility often outweigh factual accuracy. X risk of misinformation. The rapid spread the the rapid spread of information on social media increase exposure to misinformation and disinformation. Many adolescents tend to share the content without verifying source or cross-checking the fact first. This behavior contributes to the circulation of inaccurate information and may shape bias or incomplete understanding of social issues. highlight the consequences of uncritical information sharing, explain that misinformation does not spread accidentally, but often because users lack the habit of verification. Over time, this can influence opinions, attitudes, and decisions making among youth. The importance of digital literacy. Digital literacy is essential for helping adolescents navigate complex digital environments. It involves the ability to critical evaluate information, understanding how digital media operates, and behave responsibility online. Strong digital literacy skills enable young people to become active and thoughtful participants rather than passive consumers of digital content. Clarify that digital literacy goes beyond technical skills, emphasize critical thinking, uh, ethical awareness, and responsibility. Adolescents who are digitally literate are better prepared to question information and reflect on their online behavior. And the last is conclusions. In conclusions, digital literacy is a fundamental competence for youth in contemporary media environments. Without educated, educate digital literacy, adolescents are vulnerable to misinformation and harmful online practices. Conversely, strong digital literacy empowers young people to engage critically, responsibility, and confidently in digital space. Close the presentations by reinforcing the main message. Digital literacy should be viewed as a shared responsibility involving education, families, and society. With proper support, young people can maximize the positive potential of digital media while minimizing its risk. Thank you, everyone, and goodbye.